Friends, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take up the doctrine of the wall of fire. The term wall of fire is taken from Zechariah chapter 2 verse 5, where God is said to be the wall of fire around Jerusalem. It says in this book of Zechariah 2:5, "For I, says the Lord, will be a wall of fire all around her, and I will be the glory in her midst." Number one, therefore, this term refers to divine protection of God for the believer. Number two, security, protection, and defense are all synonyms that describe the wall of fire. Number three, the protection of the wall of fire begins for the believer at the moment of salvation or imputation of divine righteousness. Genesis 15:6, Romans 4:22, Matthew 6:33, and 1 Peter 1:5. Number four, it gives security and protection in time of war. Psalm 91:5. Number five, it gives security, confidence, and peace in time of bad news. Psalm 125:1. Number six, it takes away the fear of death. Proverbs 3:24, Isaiah 53:16, Isaiah 43:2. Number seven, it protects you, believer, from the fear of man. Hebrews 13:5 and 6. Number eight, it gives the believer boldness and confidence. Proverbs 14:26. Number nine, it takes away the fear of the future. Proverbs 28:1. And number 10, it gives the believer confidence in the perfect plan of God. Philippians 1:6.